In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the importance of building the team. These videos that are a part of this intake form and a part of the LeanTakt process are here to make sure that we're aligning and that we're giving the most remarkable experience possible to you as a client and as a customer. And one of the main things that we see that every project needs is to build the team. Simple concept, but I'd like to mention it right here and ask specifically for you please to make sure that we have these things in place, because it ties into the overall system, because everything we're going to go over is really covered and implemented as a system. So building the team for us means that number one, there is a multiplier leader. Number two, the behaviors of a team. And number three, a strenuous performance goal that the team is rallied behind. So if you read the book, How Big Things Get Done, there are three main reasons that projects start wrong. And those reasons are not planning the project properly, not using the right systems, and not training people. But there are three reasons that projects can go wrong once it's started. And again, that is not having a multiplier leader for the team. Number two, the team not behaving like a team. And number three, the team not having a strenuous performance goal. Every time that I've ever gotten the opportunity to recover a project or help a team and the project is going wrong, those three things are missing. And so I won't go into the details too much, but there's a book called Multipliers and there's a book called The Motive. These two really help to make sure that you have a leader that is building the team, having hard conversations, training, mentoring, and coaching the rest of the team, hosting remarkable meetings, and scaling clarity through communication, okay? So if there isn't that leader on site, that's going to be a problem because the efforts of the rest of the team will not be multiplied. Number two, there's a pattern of engaging in proper team behaviors. And the team behaviors are to gain trust, have healthy conflict, set goals and standards together, hold each other accountable, and perform. And there's actually one before that, which is to get to know each other, really in proximity and through good teaming, really make sure that the team is really has the opportunity to trust each other. So that is the pattern, and that's in the book called The 5 Dysfunctions of a Team by Patrick Lencioni. And so that system component is important because if those behaviors are not present, then none of the meeting systems will work, none of the oversight within the team will work, there will be dissension and people moving in different directions. And then third, and this is a big one, the strenuous performance goal. You can read about that in the book Silos, Politics, and Turf Wars by Patrick Lencioni. And what it basically says is, hey, if you do have a multiplier leader, you do have the behaviors of a team, you need a goal, a target, something that's pulling people together and galvanizing them towards action. This can be done with a theme, a rally cry, a milestone, but the team has got to be focused. And if you think about it, that goal, that strenuous performance goal, will pull people through the support of the multiplier leader, through those 5 behaviors, and will start to really perform. So if there's a deficiency there, the reason that I'm mentioning this and that we're mentioning this as LeanTakt and Elevate is because if you have a problem there, that will ripple through the rest of the system. So if you feel like there's a problem, please reach out to me, Jason, or Kevin, or reference those books, and let's see if we can get it all fixed up for you, because everything's implemented as a system, not just as a component. So this is building the team, and I hope you've liked this video. On we go.